Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'm going to show you how you can zoom in or zoom out video in Kinemaster. Alright guys, here I have imported my videos to this Kinemaster project. As you can see that I have imported 2 clips for this project, and I'm going to show you how we can do zoom in or zoom out for this video. So the first one, I'm going to show you how we can zoom in the video. First thing you have to do is clicking on the clip like this until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to click on pan and zoom, and you can just select the start position. And for the start position, I'm going to select this position. Okay, and for the end position, I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay, and now let's just practice for the zoom out. So just tap on this button. Then you're going to click on the clip you want to zoom out. I'm going to select this clip. Okay, until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to click pan and zoom. The step is the same, and let's just do the zoom out. So we can click, we can select the start position. For the start position, I'm going to select this one, and for the end position, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. Let's see how the result looks like. Okay, I'm going to play the video. This is the zoom in, and this is the zoom out. Alright guys, and that's how we can zoom in or zoom out video in Kinemaster. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.